Hi everyone, I'm the product manager of realme Europe and I'm so happy to be here today. So not so long ago, we turned the market upside down, launching our full-speed flagship, realme X2 Pro. Now, in 2020, we dare to leap forward, taking on new challenges and leaping forward boldly. So now I'll be presenting you with our next level flagship, which is equipped with a brand new periscope zoom camera for the first time across the globe, realme X3 SuperZoom. Let's take a look at the X3 SuperZoom's super design. On the X3 SuperZoom, we chose two colors, Glacier Blue and Arctic White. The Glacier Blue version uses a highlighted glass surface with a very shiny, reflective effect and striking light effect, while the Arctic White is more restrained and pure. Let's enjoy a few more pictures and get a feel for the super design of realme X3 SuperZoom. Based on the highly appreciated 64 megapixel eagle eye quad camera, X3 SuperZoom upgrades its telephoto lens to a 5x telephoto lens. Combined with the 64 megapixel main camera, it can achieve up to 60 times hybrid zoom. Let's take a look at the effect together. From 1x, now this is 5x zoom, and now 60 times zoom. X3 SuperZoom can achieve a very impressive zoom effect. What about the Nightscape? I believe that everyone has seen the starry sky sample pictures we shot with X3 SuperZoom a long time ago. With the help of starry mode, I believe that realme X3 SuperZoom can set new trends in mobile photography. Let's take a look at the sample pictures first. In this one that is shot by the 64 megapixel primary camera, the stars and Milky Way are perfectly reproduced in the dark sky, and they are much brighter than the human eye can see. And even on the ground, you can see the lake and the boat there. As for the 5x periscope lens, it's more convenient to zoom in to shoot constellations such as the Lyra. On the basis of the starry mode, we have also added a manual Nightscape Pro mode. But if you don't want to manually adjust settings, you can just choose AI mode. And you can change between normal Nightscape and Ultra Nightscape according to the light condition. Besides that, there is tripod mode. Keep the phone stood still and wait a few more seconds and you'll get an even better night shot. In addition to night scene shooting, as a flagship model, X3 SuperZoom, like our 5G flagship X50 Pro, has rich and powerful video functions and can become an all-round tool for making vlogs. Pretty cool. Take a look at the configuration of the two cameras. We chose the dual camera of a 32 megapixel Sony 80-degree wide-angle main camera with IMX616 plus an 8 megapixel 105-degree super wide-angle camera. The shooting range is 2.5 times more than before. The front camera also supports Nightscape. It can ensure bright faces in low light conditions. Let's move to super performance. It comes with a flagship 855 Plus mobile platform, which is the best one in 4G smartphones. The X3 SuperZoom is the most powerful smartphone with 855 Plus. It can reach 517,743 in Antutu. Compared to the last generation, the X3 SuperZoom enjoys a near 25% improvement in performance. X3 SuperZoom is deeply optimized in CPU, GPU, ROM, refresh rate, and realme UI, so it can perform even better than the X2 Pro. In terms of ROM, the The X3 SuperZoom has been upgraded with dual-channel UFS 3.0. X3 SuperZoom is also equipped with Turbo Write and HPB technology, which can increase reading and writing speed and maintain speed at a high level even after long-term use. The speed of reading and writing of UFS 3.0 is 83.3% and 63.6% respectively faster than that of UFS 2.1. Next part, Super Display. First, this display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. Compared with the current mainstream smartphone screens, its frame rate has increased by 100%. X3 SuperZoom can adjust the refresh rate automatically according to running apps, so the experience and power consumption can be better balanced. Nowadays, there are more and more apps supporting higher refresh rates than 60 Hz, especially games, and the screen-to-body ratio has achieved a perfect 90.5%. The display has an FHD Plus level resolution, 20:9 ratio, 480 nits peak brightness, and is protected by 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5 cover glass. X3 SuperZoom also has the super charging speed. It comes with 30 dart flash charge. It also only takes 55 minutes to get the 4,200 mAh battery fully charged. Compared to other flagships with less powerful charging, X3 SuperZoom surpasses them with obvious advantages. Next is about super experience. Cooling is also superb in the X3 SuperZoom. We specially prepared a VC cooling system which is composed of several different high-efficiency cooling materials. Realme X3 SuperZoom has the latest generation side-mounted fingerprint sensor with only 0.3 seconds unlock time. At the same time, every touch on the X3 SuperZoom can also give you solid feedback. Due to a tactile linear motor, every press is an enjoyable experience. As for sound, X3 SuperZoom is equipped with 1216 superlinear speakers and supports Dolby Atmos and high-res certification. It also supports dual-channel GPS in L1 plus L5 bands, which could provide more accurate location service and navigation experience. Let's watch the product video.
Super Zoom, super speed, Realme X3 SuperZoom, Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
That's Realme X3 SuperZoom. Super camera, super performance, and super experience. Okay, now let's unveil the super prices. Here are the price and availabilities. Here are the Realme X3 SuperZoom, Glacier Blue and Arctic White. Thank you for watching our live stream today. Hope you enjoyed checking out our new products. Now take care, and I'll see you all next time.